Urbiztondo used to be a part of San Carlos City, and the municipality or the town's establishment was primarily due to a parish priest named Father Ramon Dalmau. And the Urbiztondo got its name from a historic figure from Spanish era. He was a Spanish governor named General Antonio de Urbiztondo y Villasis. So, there was a decree issued na yung pangalan po ng Urbiztondo, the town Urbiztondo, will be named after him. So, historically po, one of the most significant event sa town ng Urbiztondo is its separation from the city of San Carlos. And isa pa pong nire-recognize namin na makasaysayan sa town ng Urbiztondo is yung first ever celebration ng Canon Festival at ang pagbisita po ni Vice President Sara Duterte as guest of honor and speaker namin ng celebration na yun. Because of yung pagbisita niya po na nagpatuloy na po yung mga ibang national officials din po na bumisita dito na dati po ay bibihira lang. So ito po isang patunay na ang bayan ng Urbiztondo na po ay ligtas at maayos na po yung estado. So ang bayan po namin ng Urbiztondo ay isang makabago, malaya at organisado na po. So we are pleased to invite everyone to come and visit our town, the municipality of Urbiztondo, to experience what Urbiztondo can offer in terms of food, views, attraction, and to celebrate with us our Canon Festival.